Get into a car with value. 2008 Toyota Tundra. With less than 250,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This hard-working Tundra offers impressive towing and hauling capability, a smooth, comfortable ride, desirable standard safety and infotainment features, and competitive fuel efficiency. Prepare to fall in love. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, multi-zone AC, power driver seat, rear-wheel drive, stability control, locking limited slip differential, traction control, tow hitch. Give yourself the advantages of strength and comfort with this impressive Tundra. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.